moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you.
Matetoina tuai ia shalom ling e pe teni ke soma fa vai malo ia tua e vai lea ma wa ba fa ko
Manuel Chino Manuel Fernando Proyecto China de yo wala meto na uma
All we need is just the two of us. My dream.
E tasi se upo tu spai o te muna e watu, o le upo whamaonu. You need to be faithful one another.
To you. From this
Mr. and Mrs. Paul Gallagher.
It's double HR. Excel on a beat. Excel on a beat. Are you ready? It's joyful noise. Here we go. I have come to give you worship. I have come to give you thanks. I have come to give you praises. I have come to lift my hands, oh Papa. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Only you deserve my worship. Only you deserve my praise. Your name I will exalt. Oh. Your banner will I raise, oh Papa. Oh yeah. Oh. Said I'm thanking you for life, Lord. Thanking you for peace of mind. Thanking you for mercies. Lord, you've been so good to me. Oh, said I'm thanking you for life, Lord. Thanking you for peace of mind. Thanking you for mercy. Lord, you've been so good to me. Oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, my Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh. We will praise your name, oh, forever and ever. Oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, my Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh, Jesus, oh. We will praise your name, oh, forever and ever. Yeah. Oh, I'm a big boy now. Money all around, I'm a big boy now. Streets in the kingdom, I'm a big boy now. Helping the needy, I'm a big boy now. Oluwa is involved, oh. Now, what we they go? Oh, sing that you boo. Everybody come around, eh? Mama and Papa come around, eh? Put on your dancing shoes, eh? Lift up your hands and shout, eh? The boy is hot, oh. We are hotter than fire.
5, baby. Let's go.
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana dawo yami ayikholana.
Also wat stellen van de mannen. Zo weer. Come on, Shalai, baby. Let's go. Houden, alleen van houden. Nee, holy.
find that one. Make sure that she's beautiful inside. Cause you can see the truth and no realness to her eyes. And if she gives you butterflies, she's the kind that'll always be there by your side. So listen to me now, I'm so deeply in love. I think I found the one to spoil with a lifetime support of kisses and hugs. I'm pretty sure I found the one. She's my moon, my star, my sun. She gives me life. Wake up in the morning, look at the beautiful sky. Got a beautiful woman by my side. She looks so fine. God bless her with a perfect smile. Have fun just by passing time, looking in each other's eyes. The time flies by, the little do we know back today.
I lay my head upon his shoulder. I know that everything will be fine. I found my lifetime lover, and there's only one reason why.
I'm in love, I'm in
Patele na pamamole. Soil.
Ale fo wo tau Paul o oe o ro watali he amata tu nei se ia o le fa ba o tai bi o malani Paul e te lua mai ai e te le tu tau au o fai tete ai tau au ya papa mama
To my sister-in-law, Shalom, welcome to the family. I know how happy you make Paul, and I'm proud of you both today. To my brother Paul, I'm proud of the man you have become, and thank you for being one of the best people in my life.
Cheers, everyone! Cheers!
Growing up with Shalom was... Growing up with Shalom was okay. Sometimes rough, sometimes sneaky. And sometimes smooth.
Thank you guys for coming. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day and get home safe.
Yeah, you know I got you. Hear me now. Have you ever heard that untold story about my island king who fell in love with foreign? Well, he was never ever satisfied. He was raised on that island vibe. But I'm never gonna water down his glory. It's necessary that my warrior adores me. Please don't take it personal. Problems of a brown skinned girl, yeah. Well, I'm not knocking all my foreign queens, I love you. If it's you he loves and ain't no one above you. We're a dying breed and I'm just trying to preserve our culture and bloodline. So don't take my words and twist them or distort me, or push that propaganda for them to ignore me. Please don't take it personal. Problems of a brown skinned girl. You never have to worry about how I feel about you. Yeah, you know I got you. Baby, if you just paid attention to my actions every time I'm around you. Yeah, you know I got you. See, I was put on this earth to love you only and no other. I don't think I got you. You're the missing piece to my puzzle, my best friend, my husband, my lover. And I love you forever.
Now listen closely, this is how the story goes. I fell in love and gave my heart to someone close. I thought we were change up an island soldier. Oh my, oh my. Far from the culture. But then I found a queen who always hold it down. She'd be a queen with or without a crown. Baby, it's you, and I'ma love you forever. Now to my fellow island kings, when you find her, love her first and put everything behind her. Cause she becomes like the pupil in your eyes. Gotta protect her from whatever comes inside. To my queen of the islands, I am yours. May we represent like all the ones before us. Let's take it to the world. Forever my brown skin girl.
You never have to worry about how I feel about you.
It's not that I worry, love.
Baby, if you just paid attention to my actions every time I'm around you.
Oh, it never goes unnoticed.
See, I was put on this earth to love you only and no other.
As you are to me, you complete me.
Missing piece to my puzzle, my best friend, my husband, my lover. And I love you forever.
Oh, tati wilo fa sunga wa elalele. Sunga wa elalele. Manai mai o fo ma sunga wa elalele. La urosa fu matala fi fai oi ma o usei. Oh, tati wilo fa sunga wa elalele. Sunga wa elalele. Manai mai o fo ma sunga wa elalele. La urosa fu matala fi fai oi ma o usei. Oh, tati wilo fa sunga wa elalele. Sofia ngi mai o se savili lo wallo fai fia momoli o te le popole lava itala tangata au mai nei lo wallo fai tali ai lo nenga lala fai mai e ke leo lei a ole samia na o oe lava o ke kauko ai o ke faa manu mau faa pele le mawhai e sei si o ngapa i lima mai o ke u mau o ke le faa kamala o ke le faa mamulu o ke ngofo makala faa vai le akua ia ole kai ala ia kai mai le ka ua fo langa pei ore ngua ese o ngā langu o ngai konga ua kosinga akula ma le masinga e sama koe anua o lo lale le iku maui la ufaku le mawhai e upu o ngā whamakala inga susulu o le lape o le sami le ila lo lale le ua pei o e kenga o le kamawai kongi ma le kenge pe kesa pei o ruta ia Naomi fai o mau utofi angi mai o se savili lo walo fai fia momoli o te le popole lava itala tangata au mai nei lo alo fai tali ai lo nenga lala manai mai o fufonga sunga wa e lale lei la ulo safu matala fia fai o mau usei o te tiwi lo alo fa sunga